So what's the best fried chicken and why is it Indonesian Ayam Penyet? Let me explain. To start, we make an aromatic spice paste full of ingredients like garlic, shallots, turmeric, lemongrass, and so on. Now fry this paste in oil along with our chicken for a couple of minutes, then add in water and let it braise. Remove once it's nice and soft, and while it's resting, we're gonna strain out that spiced chicken broth. Boil it down to intensify it and season with salt, and here's the genius part. We're gonna add it to starches and baking powder to create a wet batter, kind of like making tempura. Fry that chicken till it gets nice and golden brown, and we're not gonna waste any of the batter because we're making crispy bits. So ayam means chicken and penyet means smashed, and we're gonna smash it lightly. This helps to separate the meat off the bone, which makes it feel more tender. And it helps the chili paste it's served with seep into the cracks and flavor the chicken. At least that's what Google tells me. You're getting the best of both worlds here, soft braised chicken meat with an ultra crispy crust.